the story I wanted to tell you guys included somebody much different. That, that's my cat. That's my cat. Please, ma'am. There's an echo down the end of the hallway, and she's getting to know that. And it's the most annoying sound you're ever gonna hear. And that's her doing that. So yeah. I'm here. Normally I'm not live anywhere, and most certainly I'm not live on YouTube. I don't really do a lot of live stuff. I'm very introverted. I don't really do content camera stuff and all of this, but we're here now. So we might as well jabber the effing jaws, right?